హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. సో ఎందుకు హ్యాపీగా ఉంది అంటే కర్ణాటకలో మనకంటూ ఒక ನಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಕಾರಣ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ನಾವ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮೆಂಟಲಿ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಫಿಸಿಕಲಿ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಇದೇ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಈ ನೀವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋಂತ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಬಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಿಮ್ದೇನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಬಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಈ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೋ ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ವಿಷಯನ ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂತೀರಾ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಳಸೋಣವಾ ಆ ಒಂದು ವರಣ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ದಿನ ಬರ್ಲಿ, ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಬರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಈ ಒಂದು ರಿಬ್ಬನ್ ಕಟಿಂಗ್ ನ ತುಂಬಾ ಅದ್ದೂರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಆಫೀಸ್ ಕೀಸ್ ನ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಓವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತ ಮೂಮೆಂಟಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬಹುದು. ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಇಷ್ಟು ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿನ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇವತ್ತು ಡೇ 1 ಇಂದ ನಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಒಂದು ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ನ ಓನರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸಾರ್ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅವ್ರ ಮದರ್ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಜ್ವರ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಮುಖಾಂತರ. ಒಂದು ಕೀಸ್ ನ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಓವರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಕೀಸ್ ನ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಓವರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಆಲ್ ಸಫೇರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಬೋ ವಿತ್ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ವಿನ್ಫೋ ಲೈಫ್ ನ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಜ್ವರ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಮುಖಾಂತರ.
Is that by end of the next quarter, we are expecting that this Karnataka branch is going to be the most toughest contender for Vijayawada branch, as Vijayawada branch is expecting to have 1 crore sale by end of June. So we are expecting the same kind of targets from Karnataka branch also, because the major people in our Winpro Life family, majority of the people are very active from especially these parts of the Karnataka leaders like Muzamil, Anil, Naveen, and KK. So these people are very active. They are always enthusiastic to work for the development of the company. They always tries to put their 100% level effort all the time. So what I'm expecting is, though, by combining all these team efforts and synergy, we are expecting that in Karnataka soon we are going to see our company name as a #1 company in the direct selling industry, and expecting a good growth from this branch. For that, I would like to say all the best, and I would like to hand over all the responsibility. From today onwards, you want to you are having any kind of facility or product or any clarity regarding the product, she is going to take care of the entire things. So now onwards, she is going to be the responsible person to handle all the queries or to handle all the product for conducting all the meetings and all. And moreover, she is very much active. She is an enthusiastic personality and a positive mindset. That is the most important thing, being a woman. సో దే ఆల్వేస్ యూస్ టు లైక్ మనం చెప్తాం కదా, దీపంతో పోలుస్తూ ఉంటాం కదా స్త్రీని. అంటే స్త్రీ 2 పనులు చేయగలదు. పాజిటివ్ మైండ్ స్త్రీ అనుకోండి, సమాజానికి వెలుగు ఇవ్వగలదు. నెగిటివ్ మైండ్ స్త్రీ అనుకోండి, సమాజాన్ని తగలబెట్టేయగలదు. సో వీఆర్ ఫార్చునేట్ ఎనఫ్ టు హ్యావ్ ఎ పాజిటివ్ మైండ్ ఉమెన్ with us. Definitely she'll take care of entire responsibility. Once again, I would like to say all the best. Thank you.
ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹತ್ತತ್ರ 9 ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಜೋರ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದಾ?
ಈ 8 ಲೈಕ್ಸ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ఆ రెండు ఉద్యోగాన్ని ఈ విషయంగా చూపించారు. ఏం కాదు అన్న, అవి వచ్చినప్పుడు ఇది నాది బాధ్యత. సరే ఆఫీస్ లో ఉన్న అవగాహన కాల్ చేస్తాను. ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಕನಕ
ಹೇಗಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್? ಹೇಗಿದೆ? ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಶೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ?
మేడం గోపినాథ్ లో చూడండి.
ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ನೇಮ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ನೇಮ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಬರ್ರಿ.
ಫೋಟೋ ಶೂಟ್ ಬೇಲಿ కాదు మన దగ్గర కొట్టేస్తారు ప్రోడక్ట్ ఫోటో షూట్ పెట్టేస్తారు సరే చేసి ఇలా రొటేట్ చేస్తారు ప్రోడక్ట్.